Look, sales funnels are not supposed to be complicated. They're just a bunch of web pages and emails strategically designed to convert strangers into customers, and you can even start generating a couple $100s a month with your first product using 100% free software. So here's how to do it. Timestamps below, along with some other helpful links and resources, including a link to our sales funnel playbook and free template bundle, so you can literally just copy this process and get up and running today. Well, probably take you a couple hours, so maybe by the end of tomorrow. So let's go ahead, jump in. This is the type of sales funnel I recommend you start with. Now, you may have heard in the past webinar funnel, launch funnel, and lead generation funnel, and VSL funnel, everything in between. All of these are just different variations of the same process. And this process, pretty much no matter what funnel we're talking about, starts with a landing page. So we'll go through an actual example of a funnel that's converted upwards of $600 a month just off simple YouTube videos like this one. And so this is what this landing page looks like. It converts at just under 60% right now, which is pretty insane. And so as you can see here, it's a really basic page. We have a headline, a couple of bullet points, and we make a free offer. This is a PDF playbook. I'll show you what it looks like later. And then we ask for their email address, and that is it. And 99.99999% of funnels out there, no matter what they're called, just starts with a simple page that looks like this. So it doesn't have to be super complicated. Then the next step is actually where funnels start to differ. So if we were running a webinar funnel, then obviously they'd go over to a webinar or a launch sequence. They'd see video number 1. In this particular instance, no matter where you are in your funnel building journey or learning, I recommend directing people straight to your sales page. And so right after someone joins your email list, that's the best time to make them a paid offer, right? And this can also be called a one-time offer page. And so this is the page that shows up right after the landing page. You see at the very top, we say, hey, check your inbox in 5 minutes for the lead magnet that you just opted in for. And then under that, we have a countdown timer. And this is really important for this type of funnel. So this countdown timer essentially lets people know that this offer is only going to be available either for the next 15 minutes, or if you're just trying to get up and running as quickly as possible and you're like me and you don't have a bajillion products to offer, you can just set it for 2 to 3 days. So this is a 72-hour countdown. I'll get to how the emails play in this. It's really cool how this winds up working. And then we make a little offer. Now, this offer should be under $50, and this is our Google Ads campaign builder. It's a series of Excel tools that allows people to enter their information and quickly upload it to Google. There's the 10-second elevator pitch. And so as you can see, this page is really basic. It's really simple. None of these pages, you don't have to go to Upwork or Fiverr and pay $500 for a really nice looking page. So I'll actually link up in the cards and the description to a super deep dive copywriting guide that goes through how to write all of your headlines and bullets and even put together some of your sales videos so your pages actually convert. And then if someone decides to take us up on this offer, we immediately make another offer. So this is something called an upsell. Now, pretty much any funnel builder out there will allow you to do this. I'll link up in the description to my favorite builder, which is Systemi.io. It allows you to get started for free. And when you claim your free templates, also linked up in the description, you'll be able to directly import those into your account. Now, what you're looking at here is actually using Thrivecart. So if you're really serious, that's something you can upgrade to in the future. And what this does is it says, hey, you just purchased this product, so how about you check out this one as well? And so this is a landing page swipe file. It's about $4. And so far, 60% of the people who purchased our front-end campaign builder wind up purchasing this because it's a no-brainer. It's just another $4. So why not, right? Think of it as you're going in the grocery store and they always put the magazines and candy and every other impulse buy you can think of. And then after that, we have one more upsell. And this is where the real money starts to be made because you're not really going to rein in all that cash with a $25 and $4 offer. We also have something called our Google Ads Copywriter. And so this is a $95 workshop. And with one click at the bottom, someone can add this to their order. Now, do 60% of people take us up on this? Of course not. It's much, much lower. I can't remember, so here's the actual conversion rate for this particular offer right now. But as you can see, we've sent someone to our landing page, then we immediately made them an offer, and if they decided to purchase it, because we gave them a limited time discount, then we give them 2 more offers, and of course these are discounted as well. And so that does it for the majority of how most funnels work, right? So you're going to have some sort of sales message, then you're going to have some sort of checkout process where you make some additional offers called upsells or downsells or cross sells, and then hopefully you have some customers. So before we get into membership sites or how to deliver your services, let's talk about the other 95% of people who probably just opted into your email list and then didn't buy, right? So what do we do with those? Well, those we're going to send over to our email autoresponder. I recommend using something like Systemi or MailerLite. And this is an example of what our autoresponder sequence looks like inside of MailerLite. So jumping into my screen here, you can see at the top, this is an email that goes out right as someone is opting into our list. So this delivers that lead magnet that they asked for. And then we wait 2 hours. And believe it or not, there are a lot of people who just don't open this email for whatever reason. And so if they don't open the email, our system automatically sends them the same email again saying, hey, you asked for this thing and you didn't open your email, so here it is again. And this is just a really simple thing that you can add. Almost any email autoresponder will allow you to do this. And then we drop them into a simple 2.5-day sequence. And all of these emails that you're looking at drive traffic back to our sales page. So this countdown timer of 3 days has been going the entire time. And so all the emails that we just looked at are driving traffic back to that sales page saying, hey, your discount's about to expire. Here's why this offer is so awesome. And as you saw in the beginning, a simple funnel just like this. These pages aren't going to win any design awards. These are really basic emails. We have like 6 in the sequence, generated upwards of $600 just promoting it in a simple YouTube video like this one. And if you noticed, I've actually been promoting another offer during this guide. And when you claim your free templates, also linked up in the description, you'll be able to directly import those into your account. And that's all it takes to promote your offers. It doesn't have to be super salesy or in your face. Well, hopefully those didn't feel like it was in your face. Comment below if you felt like that was way over the top, promoting the funnel templates in the description, like how I just promoted them again. Okay, anyway, so what should your lead magnet actually look like? Well, you can create a template, an audit, a planner, a tracker. So I'll link up in the cards in the description to a super deep dive guide that goes through lots of different ideas and examples. The one that you're looking at here is our Google Ads playbook. I actually use Google Slides to put this together. I didn't even use Canva. So link in the cards in the description to that lead magnet guide. You can use Canva or Google Slides or whatever you want. As you can see, it just helps someone walk through the process of setting up their campaigns. Your lead magnets do not have to be 2.5-hour webinars, right? You can just create a simple PDF or a simple template that genuinely helps people. And when they consume that and they go through, oh, wow, this lead magnet isn't actually garbage like every other one I've opted into in the past 6 months, right? Because let's face it, most lead magnets are just terrible and waste of space and time. And so when someone sees that, they're much more likely to, inside of your email sequence, actually open those emails and take a second look at your low ticket offer that you have on your sales page. And then finally, after this entire process, they've seen your offer, maybe they purchased, maybe they didn't, they've collected the lead magnet, hopefully they've found some value out of it, then it's time to talk about how do you actually deliver your products or services. So what's great about this is this entire process is automated, right? I haven't personally spoken to a single person who's gone through this funnel, except in the support tickets when our system breaks, which is why this is automated and not completely passive, because things do break. Definitely not going to pretend like those things don't happen. So here's an example of what our membership site looks like. We have an introduction video, and then we just have trainings that walks people through how to use the tool that they download. And of course, you can use lots of different softwares out there to do this. This is in a software called Thrivecart. So I recommend checking out the link in the description to Thrivecart and Systemi.io. So if you already have a funnel builder or you already have an email marketing software, there, then go ahead and check out Thrivecart because it's going to allow you to set up all your sales pages, your upsells, your downsells, and your membership website, just like this one, for a one-time flat fee. It's really awesome. I paid one time a couple years ago, and I've already made my investment back many times over. However, if you're just starting from scratch and you're like, I need an autoresponder, a membership website, and a funnel builder for my landing pages, sales pages, upsells, downsells, cross-sells, everything in between, then go ahead and check out the link to Systemi.io because they have a free plan and they're going to allow you to do everything you need in one place. And those templates linked up in the description will allow you to get started super fast. And of course, if you do decide to purchase or upgrade anything I've recommended here, we receive a commission as a way to support this channel. And so that does it for what the heck a sales funnel is, what these pages actually look like, how they interact, how emails drive traffic back to your sales letters, and then where people go after they purchase. So if you have any questions or you're still confused about this, go ahead and comment below. I do read and reply to every single one. And also link up in the cards and the description to an almost 2-hour guide that goes through click by click exactly how to set all of this up for yourself for free. So hit that like button, subscribe for more guides just like this one, and until the next, keep building the business you love.